Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to make some pancakes for you, or waffles, you can choose.
Yummy.
It's Sunday morning, everyone is up and you feel like making some pancakes or waffles. Let's go and look for a recipe. Well, I actually looked already, so I'm going to go to my week right here. And I have a lot of things that I want to make today, but let's do the pancakes. Here we are. Let's start cooking. And it says 2 ounces. Oh, and actually, let's do something. Let's go back. I'm not gonna make that many today. Let's go and see what I can do. I can do 12, that is the default, or I can do 6 pancakes, or I can do 24. All right, for this video, I'm going to make the 6 and I'm going to apply. And now the ingredient amounts are changing. So now we can say start cooking. Now it's 1 ounce of butter. Let's put 1 ounce. And like I always say, I don't know what 1 ounce is, but I just need to cut a chunk and see where we're at. So let's put it there. 0.8. Let's cut another bit. Oops, that's not gonna be enough. Let's see. 0.9 and 1.1. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Now we're going to cover it. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna heat up. Let's see, 2 minutes, 160 Fahrenheit, and a speed 1, right here. Okay, it's melting. So while that is happening, let me show you how many recipes I found with pancakes. All right, so I'm going to write pancakes. I'm going to take Spanish out because I speak Spanish. There we go. 113 results on pancakes. So what do we have? Ooh, look at that. Pancakes with praline maple syrup. Green smoothie pancakes. Ooh, Dutch baby pancake? What is that? Buckwheat pancakes. Little bird pancake, grated potato pancakes, gluten-free, of course, American style, tons of them. And I love this one, zucchini, corn, and ricotta pancakes. Crazy, huh? Or sweet potato pancakes. I am so gonna try that. Anyway, so the Thermomix was calling us, and we're going to go for whole milk, all right? You see how it's 0? I'm going to get this up, and I'm going to have to zero it out because it was already at 0. And I go for 5.5 ounces of whole milk, okay? 5.5. And yeah, the butter is melted. Now we're gonna add 1 large egg. Here we go. And 1/2 ounce of sugar. So I'm just gonna pour it because I have the scale right here, right? So 1/2 ounce, let's go for it. 0.5, wow, that was accurate. And 3.5 of all-purpose flour. I'm almost out. 3.5, we got it. 1.5 TSP of baking powder. 1.5 and 1/4 of salt. All right, let's get the quarter. That's a quarter right there. We're almost done. Let's click next. 10 seconds at a speed 5. And what it's going to do is going to mix it. Perfection! Scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl with a spatula. Ooh. So I see why it wants me to scrape the sides. Everything's there. I'm just gonna scrape down to bring all the goodies to the bottom. What would you like me to do next? Insert the measuring cup. All right, we're going again. 3 seconds at a speed 5. So we're gonna mix it one more time. And that's it. We just need to cook the pancakes. So I'm going to do that with you, but I'm not gonna do it with the stove. I'm going to show you what I've done in a few hotels and Airbnbs where I take my own tools. Give me 1 second.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Okay, so I heated them up and I removed the things from the table so we can cook together. So here we have the pancake batter. Ta-da! And like we said, let's make some pancakes. So here we're going to put a little bit. Let's do a round shape. Okay, whoops. All right, let me close that. And then here we're going to do a waffle. Let's do the waffle here. So cute, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, I think that's enough. Whoosh. Uh-oh. Okay, the Dummy Cook is always at work, messing up everything she touches. So right now, I haven't done the waffles very often. I've done the pancakes. And here you can see how I can mess up anything. I really deserve a medal here. So that one I know very well, but this one I had never done. I did it once for Valentine's. That one's working, yes. And how are you doing? Okay, that was way too much. All right, so we're testing things, right? Now you learn from me and my mistakes. Okay, here we go. We can turn this one around. While this one became a disaster, I mean, it's not. The heart is awesome. I just don't like what's around it. And we're almost done. If you wanted to make your own yam, you could have done that too. Your own yam, your syrup, some fruit. And here we are. It's done. What an amazing pancake. Let's bring this out. Somehow. So I'll have to get better at it and do just the heart and not the circle around it. But here we are. Now I have a pancake and a waffle. And how long did it take? I think the steps were like a 2-minute and a 10-second plus my time. I don't know, 5 minutes tops. Ta-da! Yes! Kids, breakfast ready! Now we just need to learn how to do that shape. Alright, so this was it. Pancakes and waffles. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, you know what to do. Email me right here or use my purchase link. It's in the comments and it gives you free shipping.